Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Windows Crap Edition 8 from Microsoft. Woohoo! Also known as Windows Crap Edition 2010. Yeah, lovely music there. Alright, every time you open the Start menu, it's going to have to quit all of your applications because of a system memory error. Just frick that. It's so freaking annoying. Just move on, alright? Jeez. Well, anyway, let's continue with this tour of things you may not know and how to make your operating system experience more enjoyable. Well, if you need to reboot your computer if it's frozen, of course we don't have a hard shutdown thing built in, so you actually have to open the Start menu. So you're going to have to click this button. If you need to fix something in the BIOS, press B on Startup. Ah, come on! Press R to reboot, press B again. There you go. Okay. First, before I continue, some guys at Microsoft told me to do this. That number 8, there's an error because the guy that wrote the Crap Edition code to make this BIOS functionable, he quit on us because we only paid him like $5 a year, and he thought that wasn't enough money. I mean, I thought $5 a year was plenty. But anyway, he quit on us, and he's the one that knew the code, so the error is unknown. If you find this guy, we don't have a description for him, just pick any random person out of the world, and we'll see if it's correct or not. Alright, so let's try nuke computer. Okay, well, none of these BIOS things are working, so just press R to reboot, and let's actually go into the operating system and do something fun for once. Alright, come on, let's go. Let's boot up. Sweet. Alright, Start menu. Screw the error message. Alright, let's go to chat. Oh, and by the way, if you ever need help, just press the help button right here. That'll give you some help. Let's go to chat. Yeah, I let Bill Gates demo this OS as well, so he was the last one signed in. So type in your new password. Ah, crap. The keyboard error. I love this error. Press C to continue. It never works because the keyboard's not working. Look, pressing C, nothing's happening. Ah, come on. Moving on. If you get that error, you're kind of screwed because it doesn't really work. Let's see, does the operating system have the right drivers for this? Apparently not. It says I have a 0 megahertz Intel Pentium 0 processor with 0 megabytes of DDR0, 0 megahertz RAM, and a negative gigabyte of hard drive space. Yeah, that doesn't make too much sense. 0 megabytes of video memory. Welcome. Welcome to Windows. This is the world of Windows, I tell you. Well, Windows Crap Edition. This is actually the crappiest OS. I mean, I thought Crap Edition was great, but apparently not. Yeah, so this button gives you help about Windows, restart button, red ring of death for shutdown, and this is the close the start menu. Let's open up the torrent downloader. Yay, error. Okay, if you understand hexadecimal, be my guest and decode that for me. Okay, well, the paperclip is so darn annoying, we all know that, and apparently he wants to help us. So if you hit OK, he'll give you some advice telling us to turn ourselves into police or actually use currency to pay for our software. And since we put security into this operating system, if you try to get rid of his advice and you press cancel, we built it in to automatically crash. We built in a little program that crashes your system by creating a memory dump or some system process termination thingamabobber to crash the operating system if you hit cancel. That's just a security reason. No big deal. You just lose all of your open information, which probably isn't anything since there's no protective memory. Just press R to reboot. Any freaking time now. Thank you very much. All right, and starting up. Loading the operating system and all that crap. Yay! Now, if I seem a little angry, it's because this thing crashed on me like 50 billion times when I was demoing this to people. I just want to demo this wonderful operating system so your experience is more enjoyable. So I get paid and then I can move on. We can go back to using Mac OS 10 for a while until I have to do Windows Crap Edition 9. Okay, Internet Explorer 12. Huh. This is like the first application that's actually run for 5 seconds without an error message. Alright, well, there's no title bar, or, URL thingamabobber, so let's try something. Oh, crap, I got rickrolled. Look at that. But how come the video's not playing? Okay, nice error message there. Oh, yeah, okay. Internet Explorer 12 uses a file extension called .as to play videos, and it wasn't found on the file system. So we built in a tech support button so you can click this and get some help, and the microphone driver is not found. Yay, why am I not surprised? You can close it by pressing the button, or you can just use the start menu to crash the application. It does the same thing. So, okay. So, Twitter. Yeah, nothing can go wrong with this. Oh, I'm out of tweets. Hold on a second. They were supposed to load more tweets on this thing. If you run out of tweets, you need to load some more tweets. You can buy them. Now, anyone with a first grade education can figure out that this is a total ripoff. You want to do this one because it's the best deal. And, of course, my credit card got terminated by Windows. Why am I not surprised? Well, I guess we'll just have to close this. Whatever. When you set up Windows Crap Edition, I guess you got to register your credit card into the registry, and it'll save it there, hopefully securely enough. But apparently, Windows terminated my credit card for me. Alright, toxic waste. Nothing can absolutely possibly go wrong with this. Oh, of course, it deleted itself. Oh, it accidentally deleted itself. Ooh, I haven't heard that one before. Continuing. Forget the toxic waste. If you want to delete a file, you're going to have to, maybe manually remove it from your hard disk. Use a magnet or something, if you're really that good with computers. Skype. Oh, okay. I forgot to activate this. Hold on. Yeah, the serial code is really long. We've been getting lots of hackers and, torrents recently, so we made the serial code really, really long and secure. Let's type it back in. Oh, shoot, not that again. And Windows Crap Edition Skype is not working. It's not responding because a stupid DLL cannot be found. Weird. Well, screw that then, I guess. They need to fix this stuff. Have a nice day. Yeah, right. That's what that error message says. Have a nice day. I just crashed all your open applications. Have a nice day. Sorry about that. Alright, this game is pointless, but it's the best game in the world. It's called the button game. You use your left and right mouse buttons to play this game. You click a button with your left button on your mouse, and you create particles. Or you can hold it down and create more. Do it with the right, and it starts to rain and snow at the same time. This is entertaining. Look at this graphics. Look at these graphics. Look at this graphical user interface. I mean, look at the frame rate. You need a really kick-ass GPU to run this. Wow. Jeez, this is so cool. The frame rate, the graphics. Did I mention the frame rate? No, oh, come on! Oh. Well, I have a good GPU, and those graphics are absolutely marvelous. Stunning. But of course, it quit. Fatal error has occurred. And we'll just press enter, and oh, there it goes, getting painted off the screen. Well, I guess the best part about Crap Edition is shutting it down. This can't possibly fail, but I can only imagine what's going to happen. I can only imagine what's going to happen when I click that red ring of death and try to shut down the system. Oh, man. I wonder what's going to happen. Oh, look at that. CSRSS.exe has been terminated. Alright, well, let's reboot. Go into the BIOS, try to fix this. Maybe the BIOS will work. And, of course it doesn't. Don't mess up. That's what it says. We're just warning you because you might screw something up like I might have. Well, yeah. Hope you enjoy Crap Edition. Try getting it to work and then call us if you got something working because we have no idea what we're doing wrong. But, yeah, see you later.